Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to walk you through the assembly of our kids' storage bench with cushions and 3 bins. In our colors white, gray, and espresso. Before we get started, please make sure to look at everything included. If you have any damaged or missing parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. Let's get started. Okay, so for our first step, we're going to need our part F, which is our upper rear rail, and our part H, which is our lower rear rail. And then we're going to need our part G, which is our upper front rail, and our part I, which is our lower front rail. And then we're going to need 2 part E's, which are our dividers. And for our hardware, we're going to need 4 part L's and a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. One thing to note with our part E is that one side has a notch in it and one side does not. The side that has a notch in it is the side that's going to interlock with our part I. If you try using the other side, it will not fit. Now I have our bottom pieces laid out, so we're going to put our top pieces on now. With our part G, we're going to have our front facing outwards, and on this back side, you'll be able to see that our countersunken holes are aligned with the holes in part E. Okay, so with our part F, we need to make sure that the grooves for our board are aligned with the grooves on the bottom side. And you'll be able to tell because your countersunken holes will be in line with the holes with part E. Next step, we're going to need part J, which is our back panel, and part C, which is our left side. For our hardware, we're going to need 6 screws. We're going to take our back panel and just slide it into the back. We're going to take our part C and put it onto our bench, and we need to make sure that we have our back panel aligned with this groove in here. For our third step, we're going to need our part D, which is our right side, and 6 screws. We're going to align the groove with the back panel. For step 4, we're going to need 3 part M's and 12 screws. With our part M, we have countersunk holes, which will be on top, and those will align with our pre-drilled holes. And now we're going to take our part K, the cushion, and just slide it into place. And that concludes the assembly of our kids' storage bench with cushions and 3 bins. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the last clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.